We are the Innovative Design Group, a 79-year-old debt-free company with manufacturing and distribution located in Western North Carolina. Our mission is to bring personalization to your client's brand. We understand that your job is to help build your client's brand recognition, and now you have the opportunity to marry up your client's end user with your client's brand. You know the old saying, a picture is worth 1,000 words? Then go to the next step with your client's promotional products. IDG specializes in sublimated large format throws, calendars, ornaments, indoor-outdoor pillows, and baseballs. If you can imagine it, we can produce it. Along with our sublimated printing capabilities, we offer the following: no color limitations, no setup charges, very quick production and delivery schedules. We also offer our easy as 1, 2, 3 web-based photo-to-print programs. In working with you and your client, IDG does all the artwork preparation, and our IT department sets up the website for your client. This allows you to sell your client a completely password-protected site, allowing the end user to, number 1, go online, 2, drop their photo into the approved template, and 3, type in their ship to information. That's it. So in wrapping up, IDG offers your client something different from the same old promotional products. We offer large format, high quality sublimated printing, marrying your client's client with their brand. We offer mass production with a very fast production and delivery, and our web-based personalized photo-to-print capabilities are completely unique in the promotional product marketplace. So whether it's hospitals, schools, sporting events, corporate outings, or last-minute promos, IDG has the answer for you. So put IDG to work for you and you will see the IDG different.